working. Wow. Hello, today we're going to construct a Faraday motor, also known as the homomotor. Also known as the homo. Hello, today we're going to construct the Faraday motor, also known as the homo. Polar motor.
Materials and methods.
First you get your magnets.
And these magnets are hella expensive, so please give us ours.
Then you need a nail and a rubber. Wait, that's why it hasn't been working. Rubber doesn't conduct electricity. And you'll need a bucket full of salt water. Skeet skeet. Tinfoil.
Tape.
Wires.
Galvanized nail.
We already said nail, but okay. Bottle.
Some hair.
Straw. The Faraday motor, or homopolar motor, was invented by Michael Faraday in 1822. It is the first surviving electric motor.
A homopolar motor is a direct current electric motor which produces constant circular motion. The motor features a wire that hangs down into the salt water so that the electrons can flow through it, and it has a magnet secured at the bottom.
Once the apparatus is connected to a battery with wires, it sends electricity through the wire, creating a magnetic field around it.
This field interacts with the field around the magnet and causes the wire to rotate.
And as you should see in our video, I don't want to say in our video, it sounds so lame.
No, in the video it's gonna move, it's gonna go in a circle.
You'll see. Put the nail in, put the nail in.
We can't, what if we went like this?
Go.
As I go. Maybe switch. That'll really work. No, you gotta go close in that. Like, maybe come off the chair. If so, but like. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Well, full lab.